What's up, you basic bitch? It's fall season, so you know what that means? Cut everyone in line for a drink that tastes like a candle. The only cuddle buddy you're gonna have in this weather is a pumpkin-shaped eggplant. But we're not talking about your addiction to taking selfies at an apple harvest, because today, I'm making Pumpkin Spice Latte Cupcakes. These cupcakes are gonna be so basic, your best friend is gonna try to f your boyfriend. You shouldn't have called her fat. Doesn't that make you a hypocrite for making this? Don't act like you never hate somebody before. Me and this recipe have sexual tension.
Welcome back to the program. With me is Samantha Cohen. She is 26 years old and she is obsessed with pumpkin spice lattes. Are you shitting me right now? Did we run out of things to talk about on this show? Why don't you tell us about that, Samantha? For sake.
I'm not obsessed. You're obsessed with me.
We gotta nip this problem in the bud, Samantha.
You're my problem right now.
I feel like I'm talking to a 10-year-old.
You're my problem.
Can we cut to commercial here?
Oh my god, are you old? It's so hot, actually.
Yes, I'm older. If you keep avoiding questions, we're not going to be able to move on with this interview.
What are you, my dad? Do you want to be?
No, I'm not going to be your daddy. Please stop saying that. I think
I'm going to start an OnlyFans.
First we gotta make the batter. This isn't a face mask. If you put this on your face, you will get acne, and we will laugh.
Pumpkin spice is a seasonal flavor, like peppermint, or a guy who has perfect energy. You spent $300 on expensive rocks. Stop hugging crystals. Here's a motivational quote. The more selfies you post, the more we know your dad was never around. Stop saying your horoscope determines your behavior. Nobody cares you're a Capricorn. You're being a
Now we gotta make the icing. Don't get any funny ideas.
Holy shit. Oh, yeah, dude. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm so asshole.